Yeah, our topic is Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Yeah, Dynamics CRM. Yeah, now we are calling Dynamics CRM as Dynamics 365. Dynamics 365 is nothing but the combination of CRM plus ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. When you are working with the financial data, you will go for the ERP. Coming to the CRM, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is a tool developed by Microsoft. We have different types of vendors like Salesforce, Adobe, Oracle, and Microsoft. Microsoft is one of the popular CRM tools available in the market. By using CRM, we can enhance the customer relationship with our organization. By using CRM, we can provide better customer service and increase the sales and productivity of the customers. And it will also helps to manage, track, and store information of the customers, and we provide the better service for the customers. Yeah, this is the agenda for our Dynamics CRM. Uh, Customizations, configurations, and the Power Automate workflows and plugins. I think few of them already know these concepts, right? Like who tell we already know CRM.
Yeah, Naresh.
Yeah,
Yeah, Naresh.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, what is CRM? I already explained, right? CRM, we have different types of vendors for CRM like Salesforce, Adobe, Oracle, and Microsoft. Microsoft is one of the leading, and Salesforce also. And we have using CRM to enhance the customer relationship with our organization. And what is customization and configurations? Customization nothing but when you need some behavior and when you need some business requirement. So we need to adding the feature or alter the existing behavior, and we provide the better result for the business. This we can call as customizations. And configuration nothing but we need to change some UI settings, like we can do change some setting inside the CRM to provide the required things. That one we can call as configurations. For these things we need we'll work on CRM components like entities, secret roles, all things we have. I will show you what are those. First, when you work with the customization configurations, first we need online trial CRM. I will show you how to create online trial CRM. You can see this is the link. Okay, I will show you the CRM. First, take any private window and open that URL. It will show like this. Just click on try for free. It is 30 days trial. You can see here it will show try days 30 days. Just select this checkbox, click on start free trial. After that, click here. You can give any your personal email or anything you want. I'm giving my Gmail ID. Click on next and set up account. It will ask our details. You can give whatever you want. And you need to give your business phone, like it will send some verification code. So give your any working mobile number. And you can give any whatever you want. I'm giving some B2CRM or something, whatever you want. And select size. I'm selecting some 52 one, and you want to change the country, you can change, or leave it the same, not a problem. And you need, I'm giving United States, right? So it was giving United States, but my mobile number with Indian country, so I'm changing to Indian. When you click on the send verification link, it will send one OTP to your mobile number. You need to verify. Verify. You can see it is the domain name. It was automatically taken. If you want, you can change it. It will check. We click on the save. It's already available, so that's why it's not giving any error. You can give any password. CRM useful. You can create different type of modules like a sales, service, marketing, field service, and project service. You can do all the different types of modules we have, and you can see this is my username. I'm copying and get started. It will open the administration window. You can see here admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com and environments. Will show what are the environments we have. By default, this is what are the organization name I given, right? Company name. I given B2C or something, so it was taken this one. Now we are creating our new one. So give some trial, whatever you want. I'm giving some trial 01. You can see create database for environment, all these things. You can see it was showing some apps here. It will basically it was taking sales premium. So I'm changing to all enterprise applications and save. It will create a new environment here. You can see this is our neutral environment. It was still preparing. It will take not much time. It will take nearly 1 minute only, not more than that also. You can see it is already ready. So just click on it. This is the URL of our trial 001. If you want to change this one also, you can say just simply click on edit, and you can also change the URL name also, trial 001. Save it. It will show 4 steps here. Once these 4 steps are finished, URL will be updated with trial 001. Not take much time. You can see it is ready. You can see now the URL also change it to trial 001. So whenever you want to open your trial instance, just copy this URL. Now this is the URL of my trial instance right now, and this is my username. First time it is opening, right? So it will take some time. This is the our admin center for the environments. You can see here admin. This is the Microsoft admin center. Here you can create any new users you want. You can see users here, right? If you want to create any new users, go to active users. You can see right now I'm the only one. I am the global admin. So if you want to create any users, you can just click on add users. Only the who has the permissions, they can only create the users here. You can see our CRM is ready right now. Simply click on 365 custom. The trial instance will be look like this. You can see here sales, service, marketing. These are the modules, and if you click on the sales, it will show what are the entities, the sales like lead, opportunities, competitions, and if you select the service, is in the service, what are the main entities, case, queues, and verticals, and you can see CRM version also here. Just go to about settings and about. You can see the CRM version now is 9.2. Previously, you have some 2013, 15, all those versions are that. Then daily CRM is growing and new releases coming. Now the current version is 9.2. And whenever you want to perform some customizations and configuration on the CRMs, you need to go to the advanced settings here. Settings, advanced settings. This is not already done, this is not required. These are all our existing entities. We have three different types of entities, means nothing but the tables. In CRM, we have system, business, and custom entities. System entities nothing but which are working background the CRM to functioning well, like such as nothing but the workflows and some asynchronous process which are running behind the CRM to work functioning well. Those are called as system entities. And business entities nothing but these are account, contacts, lead. All these are coming under part of the business entities. Custom entities means the entities which we are creating for our business purpose. I will show you how to create those custom entities. All this. Yeah, go to settings, and you can see here customization and customize the system. It will show all the components in the CRM. We can see here, this is the default solution, means it is contain all the components of the trial CRM. You can see entities here, account, contact, everything is showing as the entities. We can also call it as per new terminology, we are calling these are tables. Now CRM, entire CRM is a Power Apps. We can do our customization by using we'll go to the make.powerapps.com. What are the customizations we are performing in the default solution here? What are the entities you are seeing, option set, everything you can able to see in the make.powerapps.com also. You can see this is a default. We need to change to our trial 001. And you can go to the solutions, and you can see we don't have any specific solution right now, so it was showing everything here. If we create any default solution, it will show in the part of we'll show you later that one. You can see these are the entities. Under entities, for example, I'm open the account entity. Under entities, we have tables, views. You can see forms, views, charts, fields, keys, relationships, and business rules, everything. For example, now I'm creating a new entity. Any doubts from here up to here? Hello?
No, Naresh, we are good till now.
Yeah. Like this, we need to create the trial CRM, and we need to do any customizations. Like we need to create some entities like tables, like our database, how we are creating tables, right? Like that, we are creating entities here. For example, I'm creating some student entity and give name as student, for name as students, and you can see ownership of the entity, user or team or organization. We have some settings here. We need to select when you are creating the entity. You need before creating entity, you need to select the ownership, all these things. Once the entity is created, you cannot change it. And you can see the areas that displays the entity where you want to display this under sales or service or marketing, all this. And we have seen some checkboxes here, right? In this, few of them, once you are enabled, you cannot disable. Like you can see some feedback. You can see here feedback activities, sending email queues, notes, connections, mail match, business process flows. Once these are enabled, you cannot disable it. And few of them you can enable and disable also further. Now I'm saving it. You can change the entity display name anytime you want, but logical name you cannot change it. Like this, you can create entity. Some network issue it was taking some time. Yeah, you can see now the entity is created. You can see here this name, this one we call as logical name. This cannot be changed once the entity is created. You can see ownership also you cannot change, and you can see the display name you can change anytime you want, and you can see the forms. You can see this is the main form. It will show when you open the front end. Like you can see here. I'm refreshing it. Yeah, now we added a student under the sales. So I'm selecting the sales here. You can see in the down. It's not showing here. Let's check. Yeah, it's on the sales only. Okay, let's save and publish. Let's see. And something is not shown in the front end, just save and publish it. Here it will show as a extension on student. It was not showing, that's why I'm saving and publishing it. Yeah, published. Refresh one more time. Now you can see it was showing as student here. Whenever we are adding any entity under sales or any service or whatever, it will come under part of extensions student. Right now we are not added anything on the form, right? So if you click on new student record, it will show like this. By default, any customer it will show like just name and owner. So if you want to modify the form, just go to the forms here. We want to put some fields on the form, right? So first to go to the fields. Field is nothing but some attribute on the table like that. We have different types of fields like single line test, multi-line test, two options, multi-option set lookups, different types of CRM fields we have. These are all already the system fields. And if you want to see the custom fields here, just select on the custom and see there is no custom fields here. If you want to create custom fields, just click on the new. You can see, and you can see here for whenever you are creating some custom, it by default it is coming as new underscore. If you want to change this new underscore to something like some abc underscore, some xyz underscore, for that one we need to go to the publishers. We'll show you where is the publisher. You can see here prefixes. By default, this is our organization default prefix is this one new. So it was taking some new underscore. For example, if you can create any new publisher like some trial CRM default publisher, whatever you want. I'm just giving some trial CRM publisher something. And we have our own prefix here. You can see it was showing by default prefix as new, right? So I am giving some ABC. You can see now it was coming as ABC. So whenever you are using the publisher as this trial CRM publisher, it is coming with the prefix as ABC underscore. Instead of new underscore, it will coming as ABC underscore. Right now I'm creating under the default solution, right? So it was by default was taking the prefix as new underscore. I'm giving some age field. You can see here from field requirement levels like optional, business required, and recommended. Business recommended means whenever you are using filling the form, first name, middle name, last name, right? And so in that one middle name is like business requirement. You can fill or not fill. Business required means mandatory field, and optional means we can fill or not fill, like that. We have some field security. Let's talk these topics later. We have some default auditing. Auditing means history capturing all these things. If you want to give any description about your field, you can enter here. Age is some whole like number field, right? So I'm giving as whole number here. You can see these are the types of fields available in the CRM, like single line test, option set, multi-set option set, two options, image, whole number, floating decimal, currency, multiple line of protest, date time. These are the types of fields. Based on our requirement, you can choose. Right now, I'm going with number, right? So I'm taking as whole number. If you want to give any minimum value, maximum value, or I'm giving some 1 to 100. like this, and you have some formats also, you can see here, right? Some duration, time zone, based on your requirement you can go like that. If you select the single line test here, you can see it will show as some email field, URL field, test area, like this. Okay, now I'm going with whole number. If you want to simply save and close, save and close. If you want to create one more field, just click on save and create new. Some address. Like this, you can create the fields under here. This is address field, right? So I'm selecting as multi-select multi-line of test. Like this, you can create your own form, and you can create your own custom entity, and you can create your as the form is required, and what are the fields types you want, you can explore in the CRM, and you can put in the form. Now I have just created the fields. You can see it was created now 2 custom fields, so it was showing as 2 custom fields. What are the custom fields you created? Just simply select the custom, it will show only what are the custom fields you created. Just go to the form and open the main form. Simply click on it. You can see it was showing all fields, right? What are the fields inside the CRM also? I want to go with my custom fields, so I'm just selecting on custom fields. It will show address, yes, what I'm created. Just simply drag here. And save and publish. Whenever you want to add any fields on the form, you must need to save and publish. Otherwise, it will not show effect on the front end. Now I added age and address on the student form. Now you can refresh this. You can see now it will come with 4 fields right now. You can see now it was came with age and address. Like this, you can create form with the fields whatever you require, and you can. I have given some 0 to 100, right? So for example, I give 120. You can see age, enter a name under 0 to 100. Like this also you can control. Like this you can create the records. Now record was saved. If you simply click on the student, it will show the views. You can see here it was showing active students, active student, inactive students. We are calling these are views. For example, you can see these are the views. You can see these are all are the views. Active students, inactive students, quick find, advanced find views, all these things. And you can see here now active students showing only name and created on. If you want to add age and address to this view, simply click on it. You can see it was showing name and created done, and it was showing name with some ascending or descending order, right? You can see here. configuring sorting, you can see name with ascending order. If you want to select descending order, you can change here. And if you want to add few more fields, you can see here add columns. Now I am adding our two new fields, age and address here. Okay. If you want to move and back, simply click on this arrow marks, it will move. And if you want to add some configuration sorting, some instead of name or age and address, also you can change here. Simply instead of name, put some age like that. Save and close. Like this, you can change the view settings. Not showing effect, it was showing two fields, right? So whenever it was not showing, simply go to that entity and publish it. It will show. Let's see if it is showing or not. Yes, still it was showing only name and created and field, not age and address. So go back and save and publish. Whenever you are doing something on the form and it was not shown, simply go to the entity and save and publish it. Yeah, now I think it will show. Yeah, now you can see now it was showing age and address field. Like this, you want to create your form as you required. If you want to remove all the existing fields also, you can do. Now some of the fields are locked, right? So these fields you cannot remove from the form, but you can make it as disabled. Simply double click on it. You can make field as visible, not visible. You can see here visibility by default, right? If you uncheck this one, it will not show on the form. You can see some formatting. You can display the form with 2 columns, 3 columns, whatever you required. These are the field name, owner field name. If you click on the simple edit, it will go to the field level, how the field was created, all these things, owner, system required, like this. Now I made this field is visible by default is unchecked, right? So to save that form, it will not show on the form. If you want to place some fields on the form, but in the front end you don't want to show, simply make this as is built by default as uncheck. Now I can see if I open the form, it will not show owner field on the form, but the owner field still on the form, but I'm not showing here. Like this, you can do some changes on the form also. Any doubts till now?
No, Naresh, they're good.
Right.
Yeah. Like this, you can create the form and you can place the fields, all these things. Uh, and we can do some operations also on the forms. You can see if you open the form, you can see above we have some business rules. Business rules nothing but simply like you can sell. It is just like JavaScript. We can perform some simple operation on the form level, and these business rules will work only on form load and field on change, not on form save. We can open business rules from here also or from here also. Under, sorry, this is my folds here. You can see under entity also we have some business rules. Simply click on it. You can see right now we don't have any business rules. If you want to create any business rules like some condition, like for example now age is we have age field on the form. For example, age is below 18 or something above 20. You want to show some fields to the one who filling on the form. Like that, for example, right now I'm having some age field on the form, right? So I will add one more field. You can also directly create fields from on the form also, but you need to refresh after the field is created. Otherwise, it will not show on the form. You can see when I click on the business rules, it will show you like this, and you can create business rules from directly from on the form also. You can create from form level from form on from using form also, or otherwise you can go to the entity level and there also you can open. Before that, I will create one more field here. Okay, I'm creating a new field. I'm creating some status field. And I'm giving some options under this field. So I'm selecting some option set field here. Can add some labels here like active, inactive, or something, whatever you want. Giving just two labels here and click on save and close. I'm placing that status field on the form. Now I'm adding custom filter here. Whenever you want to move, just click on, just select the field and move up and down arrows. It will move up and down. Wherever you want, you can place that field. Save and publish. Now I'm writing a business rule. If the age is greater than 20, I want to hide this field, status field. Not hiding, I'm just making a read only like that. And go to business rules and click on new. I'm telling simple logic like how business rules will work like that. That is the reason I'm taking simple example. Condition, I'm checking the condition. Our entity is student entity, and you can see the field here. I'm selecting age, and you can see field equals to and greater than is greater than. Okay, I'm taking greater than some 25 or something. Now age is greater than 25. What is the action? So I want to make that status field as read only. So I'm locking the field. So here I am taking the field as status and putting the field as lock. If age is not greater than 25, so for that also we need to add unlock the field. So unlock. So if the age is 25 greater than 25, that field was locked. Otherwise, it is unlocked. So save it. And activate it. Like this, by business rule, we can perform simple operations like based on some condition we can make. You can see here we can make recommendations, lock or unlock, and you can show some error message. If the field contains some field, you can show this is not the valid condition like that, and set default values and set visibility, set business. This type of simple actions we can perform using business rules. And if you want to perform some complex operations, then you need to go to write the JavaScripts. So activate it. Now go to the form. Now you can see I'm refreshing the form. Now we can see field level is 45. Now I'm giving some 20. By giving some, what are the condition you given? Greater than 25, field is locked, right? Okay. I'm giving some 30. The field was still unlocked. I think we have added some wrong field. I think we have two fields on the form. Two status fields. Let's check. You can see it, but we are having two status fields. I given previously given this status. I'm giving this status. Let's check. Yeah, now check. Business rule will work on farm load also. If the value is more than 25, the field should be locked. Let's see. Yeah, you can see now the value is more than 25. The field was locked right now. You can change to some 20 and save. You can see the field was unlocked. Like this, we can perform some simple operations using the business rules based on some conditions. Any doubts? Hello.
No, Naresh. No, Naresh.
Yeah. Okay. Hmm. That's enough for today.